everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful pattern beanie hat. I use 7mm hook. Make a magic circle. Insert your hook into this yarn. Pull up yarn. Make one chain. Go to this ring. Stitch first round in this ring. For crochet center single crochet stitches, we need make single crochet stitches in first round. Insert your hook into this ring, yarn over, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through two yarns together. Make single crochet stitches. Insert your hook into this ring, yarn over, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through. Pull up yarn, pull through. Pull up yarn, pull through. Pull up yarn, pull through. Make 7 single crochet. With this chain we have 8 stitch in first round. Insert your hook into first stitch, yarn over, join these yarns together, pull through and slip stitch. Make one chain. Continue to crochet stitches in between these yarns. 4 make center single crochet stitches between these yarns. Insert your hook. Between these yarns, pull up yarn, make center single crochet. Go to this between these yarns, pull up yarn, make center single crochet. Insert your hook between these two yarns. Make center single crochet stitches. 2 single crochet center single crochet stitches in each stitch. Go to this stitch, make 1 center single crochet, 2 center single crochet. Go to this between these yarns, make 2 single crochet. Go to this In last stitch, go to between these yarns. I show these yarns. Pull up yarn, make 1 single crochet, pull up yarn, make 2 single crochet. Go to first stitch, pull up yarn, slip stitch, make 1 chain, go to this stitch between these yarns. Make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in first stitch, 1 single crochet in next stitch. Make 1, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet. Continue like this, 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 for this round. In third round we have 24 stitches. Go to first stitch, slip stitch, make 1 chain, go to this stitch, make 1 2 stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 2 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Continue like this, 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 for this round. A slip stitch. In this round we have 32 stitches. Make chain, make 1 2 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to this stitch, make 1 2 single crochet. Continue like this, 1 2 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 for this round. In this round we have 40 stitches. A slip stitch, make 1 chain, go to first single crochet, make 1 2 stitch in first stitch, make 1, go to next stitch, 2, go to next stitch, 3, go to next stitch, 4 single crochet, go to this stitch, make 1 2, continue like this, 1 2 1 1 1 1 4 times, 1 2 1 1 1 1. Go to first stitch, slip stitch. We have 48 stitches in this round. Make a chain. I crochet 12 centimeters in here. After 12 centimeters, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. One single crochet in each stitch, 4 more rows. After these rows, 18 centimeter in here. In last row, make 1 chain, go to first stitch, this stitch, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, slip stitch, make 1 chain, go to next stitch, pull up yarn and slip stitch, make a chain, go to next stitch, slip stitch, make a chain, make 1 chain, slip stitch, make 1 chain, slip stitch, continue like this, make a chain, slip stitch, make a chain, go to next stitch, slip stitch, make a chain, go to next stitch, slip stitch, continue for last round, slip stitch, make chain, go to last stitch, slip stitch, make chain, go to first stitch, slip stitch, band of this hat is 54. This is suitable for adult. If you want to crochet larger than this hat, you can add more rows like this row.